Assalamu alaikum. This is Tasnim Sadika, teacher of class 4, and today I'm going to take BGS class. Our today's topic is chapter 5, which is values and behavior. First, we have to know what is values and what is behavior. So, values is basically the beliefs of yourself, and values is created from our family. How our culture is values depends on that culture. And values basically motivates our action or our behaviors. And behaviors is action, how you are going to treat with others or how you are going to behave with others, that is your behavior. Here are some examples of values and behavior. You can have a look on these values. Honesty, loyalty, commitment are the example of values. And busyness, want to be done right and perfectly, being very careful, etc. are the example of behavior. So our chapter starts from page number 24. Here they talks about values and behavior. Values. Values means what you believe. We learn values from our families, our community and our school. Good values make a better society. Here are some example of values and the result for us. If you do such kind of these values, you will get this kind of results. So let's read this out. Number 1, honesty. If you are an honest person, people will trust you. Number 2, sense of justice. If you have this sense of justice, you will be fair with your friends. Discipline. If you are disciplined, you will behave with people. Number 4, politeness. If you are polite, people will respect you. So having good values is really very important for your characteristics. Now, next point, which is behavior. Good behavior is the things we do to make society a better place. Here are some example of good behavior. Looking after younger children, respecting older people, well behave with neighbors, helping those in troubles. So this kind of behavior is example of good behavior. So you now we came to know what is values and behavior. So values is the beliefs and behaviors is the result of your those beliefs. So if you have the moral values, your behavior will automatically be good. So moving on to the next page, which is page number 25. Here are some exercise, and I have done exercise number D. Here they said put a tick for good things and a cross for bad things against each of these actions. So number 1, misbehaving with house helpers, which is a bad thing. So give a cross. Number 2, helping a classmate with a pencil if she forgot to bring it. So give a put tick mark here. Number 3, helping all the members of the family as much as possible. So this is a good thing. So give a put tick mark here. Number 4, offending others. So offending others is not a good thing. So it's a bad thing. So give a cross mark here. Number 5, not helping a blind man when he crossed the road. So give a cross mark here because this is a bad thing. Number 6, doing our own homework. So this is a good thing. So give a tick mark here. Next page, page number 26. An example. So here are some few examples of these values and behaviors. Let's look at the life of a girl called Ripa. Every day she has to make choices about what is the good and bad to do. Tick or cross the best choices for her. So here are some examples which they include some good things and bad things as well. What you have to do is just give a tick mark what is the good thing or what is the good deed for her, and give a cross mark what is the bad or bad deed for her. So do it by yourself. This is very easy. I hope you can do this by yourself. Yes, moving on to the next page, page number 27. So here are some few examples. Sorry, for a few exercise. I have done exercise number B for you. Here they say, remember that values are beliefs and behaviors is actions. In pairs, write these in the right columns. So here are some words where you have to choose what is the values and what is the good behaviors. So here in the values, kindness, truthfulness, consideration is the values, and good behavior. Being punctual, helping others, sharing foods are the examples of good behavior. And here is number D. They said tick the right answer. So which one is a value? Helping others who are in trouble, getting along with getting along well, inviting others to an event, truthfulness. So we have done this. We have know this from our earlier lesson that values are the beliefs and the behaviors are actions. So here the ABC is basically some actions and number D is a belief. So the answer will be number D, truthfulness. Which one is a value? So number D, the answer, truthfulness. Okay, the question answer. Here are four short question and two broad question for from this chapter. And a short question number one: name one moral quality. Number two: give one example of how a polite person behaves. Number three: write down one bad deeds you should avoid. Number four: what should you do if you find money in the street? So these are the short questions. Now descriptive questions. Number one: what is the difference between values and behavior? Which moral quality would you most like to be known for? Okay, these are the questions from this chapter. You will get your hand notes, memorize this question from your hand notes, and this is all about our today's class. If you have any question or confusion, you can ask me. I'm available for 1 hour. So good luck. Have a great study hour. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.